Here are 6 birds so unique, you'll think they're from another planet. The bird of paradise, found in New Guinea. Their crazy colors and dance moves look straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Arctic tern. This tiny traveler flies 70,000 kilometers a year, basically a full trip around the planet. The lyrebird. It can mimic chainsaws, camera clicks, even car alarms. Nature's ultimate sound recorder. The owl can rotate its head 270 degrees and see in the dark like built-in night vision goggles. The hummingbird beats its wings 80 times per second and can even fly backward. The shoebill, a giant prehistoric-looking bird that stares for minutes without blinking. Which bird blew your mind the most? Comment below and subscribe for more wild facts.